Hello friends, and welcome to one more video of Happy Sourcing India. Today we will be talking about Delight International, a complete solution for home furnishing. This company is based out of India and they have vibrant product with a vibrant color. So the company was established in 1976 by Mr. Pyarelal Tayal. They are very dedicated in terms of sourcing the material and combining that material in a vibrant color to produce the best result. Delight International is exporting home furnishing items to almost every part of the globe. They are dealing into soft goods such as 3D printed bed sheets, hand woven and printed shower curtain, DEC pillows, cushion covers, puffs, hand woven and printed blankets, throws, stuffed and hand woven bath rugs, handloom area rugs, brain mats, printed rugs, table runners, and placements. Let's take a look at the factory. On your top left side, you can see a factory's outlet and the interior part of the factory. So the total area of this factory is 25,000 square meters. Build area is 16,000 square meters. So there is a lot of ample amount of space and aeration is available around the factories. It should have been very nice place to work for. Now let's take a look at company's strength. They have advanced home textile factory in India. They have vertically integrated setup, huge capacities, qualified and skilled manpower, quality products and competitive price, on-time deliveries. This is one of the most important part. A manufacturer is supposed to give on-time deliveries, quality compliance, prompt response and effective service level, separate designing and research and development department, fulfilling all compliance requirements. This factory has an integrated showroom facility as well. So when you are going to visit this factory, you or me on your behalf, this type of showroom should be displayed to us where different type of product has been displayed with a vibrant color you can see. Delight International is specialized into manufacturing the product and exporting this product. So integral part we have discussed in our previous video, such as your suppliers, your manufacturers supposed to understand your business. They're supposed to know what is required, and they have to understand what is the export procedure. So this is one of those companies which do understand what are the export procedure and all. Delight International is also having international fairs, such as this photo indicates the Frankfurt Fair. These are few inside pictures of the factory, like hand tuffing machines you can see on top, then weaving handloom machines, then stitching machines. We have wrapping machine, we have shuttleless weaving machine, we have dispatch area. This company has an in-house lab facility where they conduct different type of experiments into research and development. This is a process flow. The process flow basically consists of production manager, quality manager, and merchandiser. These are the key aspects. Whereas the actual flow goes yarn order as per sample, yarn received against order, dyeing, tuffing and weaving, finishing, labeling, packaging, internal inspections, inspection that includes third party and agency. Here I will play a role for you on your behalf. I will go and visit and take inspection at this stage. Once I have inspected, then the product will be ready for the dispatch. Capabilities. Annual production capabilities indicates they're capable to produce rugs 180,000, near about 65 handlooms, bath mats 1.2 million square meters, near about 100 toughing machines, made up 600,000 pieces, 100 water jet weaving machines. And then they have shuttleless machine, good capacity for producing cotton. Now they have a staff of 52 people to take care of all the customers' needs and requirement that include different department and been concentrated for customer experience. So that you can see product development, financing, shopping, production, sales, quality are targeted for merchandising and sales and customers. So the customer is this organization is customer centric. The focus is customer basically. This is one of the most important part of compliance. Whenever an overseas company or the company is located in countries like Australia, European Union, Middle East, USA, or Canada, they have to understand this part because this is really important part. Or your production units are compliant and audited for all the sectors, and that the statutory laws are as follows, which has been displayed here on this sheet. Okay, so any seller, any e-commerce seller, anybody who wanted to source product from India, they're supposed to have this kind of compliances. The manufacturer and suppliers supposed to have this kind of compliances. And one thing is for sure, agencies they go and ask this kind of compliances. They make sure the manufacturer and suppliers are a compliant company. Quality. The manufacturer or supplier is supposed to have the best quality required, at the deal. So all their unit functions on AQL 2.5 as the slide indicate. Again, their quality compliance are given here, which are EDDR, DPRR, and so on. Many of the companies rely on most modern enterprise resource planning system (ERP) system. So maintaining quality, basically ERP system can be a vital role into the manufacturing procedure. Their quality checks has been displayed here in terms of source, receiving, interim, and final. That is how they are checking the quality. Now let's take a couple of products here. This is 3D printed bedsheet. Really wonderful and vibrant color one can see. One can see the customization as well. I really like the dog and Mickey Mouse. I got a kid, so like that Mickey Mouse would have been really great, and it would be really wonderful if these are to be customized. Since these are 3D printed, I believe that it could be get customized as per your internal requirement. These are some cushions, really nice fabric, wonderful color. These are in vibrant color. Curtains, troughs, really wonderful fabric here. Puffs, really good design. One can understand. I believe they have utilized a jute and mixture of denim here. A really good design, really vibrant color. Runners and tablecloths. These are into fashion these days. Many runners and tablecloths are in demand in States, Canada, Australia, and European countries. Jute bed mats, really wonderful jute made material. Jute is one of those material which is available locally in India, and there are many companies which make fascinating product out of jute. These are bedded mats here. These are bath mats. Nice color, nice combination, nice design. These are hand woven and printed rugs. Really wonderful texture you can see. A nice combination of color. and innovation in design. Handloom and tough rugs, wonderful design. And always this company has a vibrant color into their products. I really like that. Now this indicator why them like so they are into they are flexible and wide choice of colors as I mentioned. They have a really wide choice of colors, design they can produce. They have an individual private label collection fitting perfectly to your market needs. Now this is what essentially we are looking forward to. They offer consistent quality through technology and process driven manufacturing. We are having manufacturing capacities at a very competitive price. Their production is set up with the largest technology and state-of-art machinery. Delight International Group is well organized and exporting its product. This is one of the most important aspects. Again, if you are sourcing from India, you should be looking for the manufacturer and suppliers who are already into business and they know the procedure to make the transaction really easy. As they have mentioned, vast experience of industry to give benefit of specialization. Being an old company and having experience of 44 years, they are they have numerous customers showing confidence in their phenomenal quality in merchandise. That is true, I strongly believe. Now let's try to understand the worldwide customer and other details. The slide indicates they have been sourcing to Walmart, they have been sourcing to Shopify, Tedai, really wonderful. Future Home even they are Hallmark, wonderful. Saturday Night Unlimited. So they have list of the main customer, five below Walmart, Nutrition, Idea Nova, and so on. In-house production facility, so they have a toughing machine, handloom stitching machine, interlocking machines. We had a detailed understanding of that in previous slide, I believe. Let's meet in the next video with the profile of one more company which is willing to export from India. Thank you. This is Rahul.